It's me, Ayesha Naomi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making beauty salon craft kit. It's easy and fun. Just peel and stick for ages 5 up. So this is a girl with makeup and a beautiful hair. Guys, you know what is this now? You know it? Yeah, because I have to look. So we will open it. So let's open. I love it. It really hurts. Feel man's the double. Oh, you need a scissor. Here, pointy scissor. It can't shut my fits. Don't cut your nails, okay? So here's the hair. I have a hair so beautiful. So there. And we have, what is this called? Silver foam and gold foam. So here's the makeup. Set aside. And the finale is the girl. Here, it's bold, no eye, no lipstick. So we need this, so don't trash. Okay. Set this up there. And I will show you how to make it. Okay guys, here's the face. Let's get the makeups. So let's see the instructions. Okay. The picture, sorry. Okay, I know. So, oh wait, it's brown. So let's get this one. Okay. There. And let's get one more. There. Now let's get the brown eye. This one. Okay. There. Now let's get the eyebrow. This I think. Yep, this is it. Not like that, not like that. Okay, just moving up. Like that. There. Now let's get the lip. Ah. There. Now let's put a little bit tiny hearts. This heart, put it right here. Get a little star, put it right here. And get a pink heart, put it right here. And get a big star, and put it right here. And get what red star, put it right here. There. Oh. There. That's kind of cool. Now we need to do the hair now. So let's do it. Oh, like that. So yeah, how? There, my paper's done. And let's. So here's the hair. How can we do this? Like, let's just do this one, like this, and one more of that. Oh, like that. Now I see a sticker right here, so just peel. Oopsie, I will stick it. Oh, it's not a sticker. Like that, and fold. And there. And one more. One more. Okay. Just like that. And this one. I try my best, guys, okay? It's kind of good. So let's cut. That's kind of okay, but we just try our best. Now let's cut. Just cut. So it will look like a hair, real hair, but it's totally a yarn. So like that. That's kind of cool. Now let's peel the other one. There. Now let's put a hair. Ah. And cut. So let's cut. You need an eagle eye, guys, because if you have no eagle eye, you can't see what are you cutting. So there is the hair. Now let's peel this one. Look like me, I'm at bushes. Ouch. Guys, there. Now let's do it. Look like me, I'm at bushes. Ah, sticking. We need a long rope of yarn. Can you get the scissors, please? And cut it right here. So, yep. And cut. So there. Cut. Don't cut my fingers. Thank you. And put the place right there. And like that. That's good. And cut, please. Not right there, right here. Thank you. And put it right here. Like cut. So there. I will fill this up. So let's get a yarn. And please cut, Mom, right here. Okay, go. Thank you. Now let's fill. And cut, please. There, and let's place. And one more. There! That's kind of cool, right? The best part than ever. Okay, guys, so... Ooh, Mama is trying to kick me in the face. So let's go here. Oh, super hard to get it. Okay, there. There it is. Now let's put this one. There. Now let's put it right here. Wow, super cool. Oh, just wait, guys. Okay, it's attached. It's kind of bit. Okay. So here it. Oh, wait. Okay, here it is. Now let's wait. It's attached to me. So this is kind of bit good. Now let's cut. So here, now let's put it. Like that. Now let's get one more. Oh no, it's attached. And there, and let's do it. Oh, it's attached. And just wait, guys, okay? Just put it on there. So let's put it this way. So there, and one more, and one more. That's the hair. Now, oh yeah, I forgot. Let's take off. There. So let's put it. There. I try my best, okay, guys? I try my best. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. It's kind of a little bit like her hair is scarbled, so that's okay. That's okay, right? So let's do this now. Look like the delicious. Okay, it's kind of a little bit of stuck and attached, I think. Just wait a second. Okay, here it is, guys. Now let's put it. Now cut. This is gonna be the last one. And boom! There it is. Now let's cut the hair. There. It's kind of pretty good. Now let's decorate it. Let's see. I want a flower. Here's a flower. Let's put it right here. Now let's get a heart. You like hearts? Comment down below. Now let's get gold, and you see something right here look like circle, like a ball. You just put it like that one. Now let's get a heart. Now let's do that. There. And I know what is the topic. Toppings. Let's get this one. What is this called? Like if you blink, there's a sparkle like this. Ching! I don't know. I'll just put it right there. Wait a minute. Wait a second. This eyebrow looks familiar because it's not look like an eyebrow. Oh, wait. Let's see. Oh, wait. Oh, sorry, guys. So there, let's get this one. So there, and let's put it right here. There. Now let's put some stars. One more star. One more star, sorry. And one heart. And there, and the last top is there. That's pretty good. Ooh, the hair looks familiar to me. Okay, guys, here it is. So cool. You look like fashionista. Wow. Let's picture. So, guys, here it is. And, guys, there's sorry. My camera fell. Okay, guys, I hope you like my video, and please subscribe, and click the bell button and share. Okay guys, and I hope you like my video. See you guys next time. Bye. Bye.